My S4 sucks. No, literally, my car sucks a lot of air. This 3.0 V6 engine is equipped with a turbo. What does a turbo do? Well, a turbocharger is a device that increases the power output of an internal combustion. So this allows more air to be forced into the engine, which outside air, and compresses it before it enters the engine, which increases the density of the incoming air. Induction, because the turbocharger compressing the incoming air. More air to burn and thus increasing its power output. I want my car to suck more. So I'm going to replace the stock intake system with 034 Motorsport's cold air intake and super duper turbo inlet. An upgraded cold air intake is a modification designed to increase the amount of cool air entering the engine.
See, the idea is that cooler air is denser, containing more oxygen molecules, which can result in improved combustion and increased engine performance.
But before we do the upgrade, let's hear how it sounds now. You're watching Midlife Mods. And now it's time for the mod. Look at these side by side. That's insane.
You want to see good engineering? That's good engineering.
Look at that. All right, we got the turbo inlet and the cold air intake installed. Let's hear how it sounds. What? She's alive! Do you hear that? Now she really sucks. Special thanks to Oliver from Warhammer Motorsport for handling the installation. Be sure to stick around until the end of the video for an exclusive interview with Oliver to learn more about Warhammer Motorsport Racing Club. All right guys, so we just installed the cold air intake and super duper turbo inlet. So we came back here for a Sunday morning cruise with our friends at Audi Group Los Angeles. We're gonna hit the canyons, head to the beach, and check out how this mod performs.
Thank you guys for coming.
I can't think of a better way to test out this latest mod than with a canyon cruise with Audi Group LA and like 60 other Audi cars and enthusiasts. Man, this is a beautiful Sunday morning. I don't think this air intake and turbo inlet mod is gonna get me any faster 0 to 60 times. I already ran a 3.8 0 to 60 after I did the stage 1 tune, which I'm pretty happy with. I think this cold air intake and turbo inlet mod is just gonna give me more of that sustained horsepower throughout the RPM band. I don't know if the audio is gonna pick up the sounds that I'm hearing, but I just have to tell you, this cold air intake and turbo inlet mod creates such an amazing sound in the engine. It's the air being pulled in, the turbine spinning, the wastegate releasing. It just creates this symphony under the hood that wasn't there before. It's just a great mod that I'm becoming a little addicted to this noise that I hear now. It's amazing. I hope you guys can hear it in the video. All right, guys, we made it to Pacific Coast Highway here at the beach with Audi Group LA and some beautiful Audis. The 034 Motorsport Super Duper Turbo Inlet and cold air intake is a mod that I would say is definitely worth it. The new noises coming from the engine, the air intake and the turbine spinning and the wastegate noises are just addictive. This was definitely worth it, and I can feel a little bit more boost throughout the power band.
And now let's hear from Oliver from Warhammer Motorsport.
What's up, guys? I'm here at Ingolstadt West in Canoga Park, California, and I'm here with Oliver from Ingolstadt as well as Warhammer Motorsports. How's it going?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing well, thank you.
My first car that I truly fell in love with was a 1973 El Camino.
Nice.
I kind of stumbled upon it. You know, it was one of those things that you're looking through Craigslist and you're like, oh wow, I really like that, that's cool. So I went and got that. And so then I purchased a 2003 Audi A4 1.8 turbo. It had been modified a little bit, but nothing crazy. And the first time I sat in that seat and that guy pushed the car, that was it. That was it. I was fully on board with the Audi crew. I loved it. Yeah.
Love it first launch.
Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what it was. Now I have my 2016 S3 that's had some fun things done to it, and I'm in love. It's a car that I probably will never get rid of. I'm running a complete flex fuel file, so I can run E85 or 91 or any mixture in between. I got the high pressure fuel pump, ethanol content sensor, downpipe. I've got a full Yellow Speed Racing Pro Plus coilover set, so I have full adjustability in that suspension, whether that's camber, you know, stiffening, height adjusting as well. So I've done an RS3 rear bumper conversion. So from the back with no badges, you would think that it's an RS3 because I've got the exhaust on there, I've got the bumper on there. I like to run R1 Concept brakes in the front and in the rear. I got their track pads. I've done, I think, 3 track days on their pads and they're still going strong. They still grip, they still brake. I'm running the Motul RBF 660 brake fluid in there. I got a Brom Racing seat in there. I got a 5-point harness, integrated engineering intake. I've got a CTS turbo intercooler, CTS turbo catch can system, APR coil packs.
Well, Oliver and I are proof that 034 Motorsport customers and integrated engineering customers can be friends. So
yeah, that's fair.
Yeah.
That's fair. Oh, and I have a 034 restore bar, so you know,
nice.
I like their products too.
Talk to me about Warhammer Motorsports.
So Warhammer Motorsport kind of stemmed from an idea I had when I was in the service. I joined in December of 2011. I'm a Marine Corps veteran, so I was in the Marine Corps for 8 years. I was an 0352, which is an anti-tank missileman, which has nothing to do with cars.
Do you offer track day services with your car?
When people come in to Ingolstadt West and they talk to us about tunes and things like that, you know, the biggest hesitation is it's gonna break my car. I can't afford to, you know, put it on the track or see what it does on the drag strip, you know. They want that experience, you know. So I'm offering my car for people to come in, you know, we'll bring it to the track to you, whether that's Famosa or Irwindale, or, you know, say you want to go to the streets or something like that, you know, I'll bring it out to you. We'll kind of go through the car and, you know, things like that. From there, you're going to have an experience, you know, truly that people want.
It's a pretty unique experience. So you're offering your car to anybody who wants to enjoy that track experience, so they don't have to worry about damaging their daily driver.
Yeah,
That's
exactly.
awesome. That's
Exactly.
awesome. I want to say thank you to the guys at Ingolstadt West in Canoga Park, California, and especially Oliver from Warhammer Motorsport. And thank you for watching Midlife Mods.